Welcome to Money Booster. If you're new to investing or looking for simple ways to grow your money safely and quickly, you're in the right place. Investing doesn't have to be complicated or scary. With the right knowledge and approach, anyone can build wealth and secure their financial future. Why invest? Investing helps your money work for you. Instead of letting it sit idle, investing puts your money into assets that can grow over time. This helps you beat inflation and build wealth faster than just saving. The key is to invest wisely and understand your options. There are many ways to invest your money, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and more. Stocks offer growth potential, bonds provide stability, and mutual funds diversify your risk. The best choice depends on your goals, timeline, and risk tolerance. How to start investing. The very first and most crucial step on your investment journey is to set clear, tangible financial goals. Before you invest a single dollar, ask yourself, what are you investing for? Are you planning for a comfortable retirement decades from now? Saving for a down payment on a house in 5 years? Or perhaps funding a child's education? Your goals will determine your investment timeline and your tolerance for risk, shaping every decision you make from here on out. With your goals defined, it's time to open an investment account. This is your gateway to the financial markets. You can do this through a traditional brokerage, a modern robo-advisor, or even your local bank. Research different platforms to find one that aligns with your needs, considering factors like fees, investment options, and user-friendliness. Opening an account is usually a straightforward online process, similar to opening a new bank account. A common myth is that you need a large sum of money to start investing. The reality is, you can begin with whatever amount you're comfortable with. Many modern platforms have no minimum deposit requirements and allow you to buy fractional shares, meaning you can own a piece of a company for just a few dollars. The key is to start now and be consistent. Finally, as you begin to invest, focus on building a diversified portfolio. This simply means not putting all your eggs in one basket. Spreading your investments across different asset classes, like stocks, bonds, and real estate, helps to mitigate risk. If one area of the market performs poorly, your other investments can help balance it out, creating a more stable and resilient path toward your financial goals. Use tax-advantaged accounts. One of the smartest ways to grow your money faster and more safely is by using special investment or savings accounts available in your country that offer tax benefits. Think of taxes as a constant headwind against your investment growth. Every year, a portion of your hard-earned gains can be lost, a phenomenon known as tax drag. It might seem small initially, but over decades this drag can significantly reduce your final nest egg. Tax-advantaged accounts act like a protective shield, minimizing or even eliminating this drag. They are specifically designed by governments to encourage long-term saving and investing. These accounts reduce the taxes you pay on your earnings, helping your money grow more efficiently. There are generally 3 ways they achieve this. First, with tax-deferred growth, you don't pay any tax on your investment gains year after year. The power of compounding works its magic uninterrupted. You only pay taxes much later when you withdraw the funds, often during retirement, when your income and tax rate may be lower. Second, some accounts offer completely tax-free growth and withdrawals. This is the gold standard of tax efficiency. Every dollar your investment earns is yours to keep, provided you follow the account's rules. Lastly, certain accounts provide an immediate benefit through tax-deductible contributions. This means the money you invest can be subtracted from your taxable income for the year, lowering your current tax bill and freeing up more cash. Research the tax-advantaged options where you live and use them to maximize your returns while protecting your savings. Names and rules vary globally, from 401ks and IRAs in the United States to ISAs in the United Kingdom or RRSPs in Canada. A quick search for retirement savings plans or tax-free investment accounts in your country will set you on the right path. Understanding and utilizing these powerful tools is not just a strategy for savvy investors. It's a fundamental step toward building substantial, long-term wealth. Risk management and safety investing always involves some risk, but you can manage it by diversifying and not putting all your money into one investment. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes and be patient. Safe, steady growth is the key to long-term success. Resources and tools. There are plenty of online tools and resources to help you invest smarter, from educational websites to apps that track your portfolio. Take advantage of these to learn, plan, and monitor your investments easily. We've covered a lot of ground, and now we've reached the most crucial part of our journey together: taking action. Remember, the path to financial freedom isn't a sprint. It's a marathon that begins with a single, decisive step. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information, but the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Start small, perhaps by setting aside just a few dollars this week, or opening that high-yield savings account you've been considering. The size of the step doesn't matter as much as the act of taking it. Then, stay consistent. Consistency is the engine of compounding, turning small, regular actions into significant wealth over time. It builds the habits that will carry you through market fluctuations and moments of doubt. And finally, never stop learning. The financial landscape is always evolving, and your greatest asset is your knowledge. Commit to being a lifelong student of wealth creation. If you found this video helpful and are ready to continue your journey, your engagement makes a huge difference. Please take a moment to like this video. It signals to the algorithm that this content is valuable, helping us reach and empower more people. More importantly, I want to hear from you. Share your biggest takeaway or the first step you plan to take in the comments below. Your story could be the spark of inspiration someone else needs. And of course, subscribe and click the notification bell. We're committed to bringing you more practical tips to boost your income and grow your wealth safely, and subscribing ensures you never miss out. Our learning doesn't end when the video does. Don't forget to join our community posts every Tuesday and Friday at 4:30 p.m. Dubai time. These aren't just announcements. They are interactive sessions where we discuss current market trends, answer your burning questions, and share exclusive insights that don't make it into the main videos. It's your opportunity to connect with a network of like-minded individuals, share your progress, and learn together in a supportive environment. Mark your calendars to be part of the conversation. Your financial future is in your hands. Thank you for investing your time with us today. We have some incredible new series and expert collaborations in the works that we can't wait to share with you. Big things are coming soon. Stay tuned.